Welcome to QVOICE. In this video we will demonstrate how to configure call center features on QVOICE Unified Communication System. Unlimited call queues are always included with QVOICE service, because we know it's such a powerful feature. A queue presents a world-class image to your customers, and it can be invaluable for managing large call volumes. A call queue assigns incoming calls to a group based on a predetermined pattern, while providing wait times and other announcements to callers. That makes it more controlled than a ring group, which will just ring all phones simultaneously. QVOICE Call Center package includes the call queues along with Agent desktop application that allows agent full control of the queues they belong to and allows agents to log in or log out of the queues. Queue reports allow deep insight into agent performance in order to manage customer experience and satisfaction. Real-time dashboards allow for both historical and real-time view of queues, agents and customers' behavior. Log into the QVOICE portal using your admin or reseller credentials. The first step is to enable the call center features on a tenant account. As a super administrator, navigate to Config in the top menu and then select Accounts on the side menu. Search for the account name and then proceed to enable the call center feature on the target account. Once the call center feature is enabled, the tenant account will be able to view and use advanced call center features. Navigate to a tenant account, in this example it's Sales Smarts account. Navigate to Call Center in the top menu and then select Queues on the side menu. Queues view will display the queues configured for the current account displayed in the top corner of the portal window. To create a new queue, click on the Add button on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Proceed to click on Add on top right corner of your screen. Specify the queue name. We usually recommend to name the queue by ending it with an _queue. In this example our queue name is HR_queue. The tenant will be able to further configure queue routing using smart PBX or call flow views, which will be covered later. Note that queue name cannot be changed after creation. If one needs to change the name, the queue must be deleted and recreated. Next step is to specify the extension number that will be used to route the call to this queue. In this example, when caller dials 79, system will route them to the HR queue. Max time in the queue defines how long a caller can stay in the queue without being connected to the agent. Once the time expires, the caller can be routed to another queue or to a voicemail system. The music on hold will instruct the queue to play hold music to the caller waiting in the queue. The music file can be uploaded using the smart PBX or call flow views. The strategy option determines the routing pattern for your calls. Simultaneous strategy will ring all agents for a single incoming caller. The single strategy will cycle through agents and distributes calls as fairly as possible. The random strategy will call the next agent in random order. Next step is to add agents to the queue and define the order should be used to connect the agent to the caller. By adjusting the agent delay, the agent will be called only after the timeout veil has expired or all other agents are already on the call. The agent delay can effectively be used to specify tiers between agents. Finally, click on Save to complete the queue configuration. At this point we can test the queue by dialing the extension configured. Log into the QVOICE desktop or web app as the user that has been configured as an agent in the queue. You will notice the Agent View button on the top left side. The QVOICE desktop or web application allows the agent to quickly view the status of the call queues he or she belongs to. Furthermore, agent is able to see the current queue status along with number of callers waiting in the queue. Agent can choose to log into the queue in order to start accepting calls or log out in order to take a break or wrap up the previous call. In this example, Billy will call the queue at extension 79. Anthony will receive the call from the queue and will answer the call. Once the call is answered by Agent Anthony, Billy and Anthony can talk to each other. When in queue, if one party hangs up, the other party will hear a goodbye message indicating that the call is over. In this example, Billy will call the queue at extension 79. However, Anthony has logged out of the queue, therefore will not receive the call until he logs back in. As part of the Advanced Call Center package, tenant admin can find the queue reports in the CallCenter section of the portal. Agent activity displays agent summary report. Queues activity displays the queue summary report. In each report, admin can drill down into individual agent or queue data. Call history report shows all calls to all queues to all agents, and admin can filter based on queues, agents or incoming caller ID number. Real-time dashboards allow for both historical and real-time view of queues, agents and customers' behavior. Supervisor or administrator can use the dashboard to quickly analyze the health of the queue and efficiency of the agents. Using the zoom features, data can be viewed over time in order to capture the trends of historical analysis. Thank you for watching.